Hi everyone, I'm Shem and I'm here to tell you how to connect your Goldilocks device to your Android app. If you do have an Apple device, you'll need to look at the other video because it is a slightly different process. So if you get your phone, make sure that it's charged, Bluetooth's on, and your location is on. Make sure your Goldie device is on as well. You know it's on because it's got a little flashing LED on the tummy. So go to the download link that we'll send in your welcome email and click on it. So press install. And then it says app install, so just press open. So then Goldilocks app will open and it will ask you, can we use the device's location? So we need to use that because we're accessing Bluetooth. So accept that. Can we access your photos and media on the device? We need that for offline monitoring, so allow that. And then you'll come to the login screen. If you already have an account, just use the account details you've already created for that login, and that will connect you to the right device. So press sign in. It will then ask you for a username. So put in whatever username suits and press OK. It will then ask you for a password and then press OK. So it will take you to a terms and conditions page. Scroll through it, read it, make sure you know what it's about, and then press accept. So then you'll come to selecting your Goldie device. Select one, and then it says down the bottom, your connected Goldilocks device, and then you'll name it. I'm just going to call it Goldilocks. And then press next. And then you're in the app. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.